And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Moderna, the pharmaceutical company in the United States, says its vaccine is fully effective against the new coronavirus strains that have been detected in the United Kingdom and elsewhere. It says that based on the data received so far, Moderna expects that the vaccine-induced immunity from the vaccine will be protective against the variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus. The Moderna statement says that the company will be performing additional tests of the vaccine in the coming weeks to confirm this expectation. So that's some good news. Moderna says it, according to the data it has received so far, it expects that its vaccine will be fully effective against the new strains of the coronavirus. Milan is with us live for more on this. Milan, some good news. Moderna, which is leading one of the big vaccine programs, says it expects that there will be a full effectiveness of its existing vaccine against the new strains of the coronavirus, but that it still needs to conduct some more tests, which it will be doing.
Well, Shiv, this news is hopeful in terms that all governments across the world and scientists have been saying that the vaccines that have been made will be effective against the new strain of coronavirus that has emerged from the United Kingdom. Even Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Health Minister, India has said that the vaccines will be effective in terms of what UK is doing as well. And the Health State Secretary of UK has said that they have also vaccinated those people who happen to be in that particular area of United Kingdom where the new strain was found and originated from. So with Moderna saying the same thing, because Moderna has also genome sequenced the full strain of coronavirus, they are saying the changes are very few for a layman to understand. They have cracked the entire code, and the code just has a few changes which will not impact the vaccine as such. And there are other vaccine makers like BioNTech who have also said that they will be able to bring out a new vaccine if there's a large amount of mutation. Right now, we know there's only 17 such changes that have happened. And very normal for an influenza to mutate. Therefore, the vaccines at this point, most of them saying, just like Moderna, will not impact the vaccination drive across the world.
Okay, Milan, stay with me for a moment longer. The government has denied reports